Alright guys, Marco Colbert, Speedokote Refinish Network. So today we have this 2009 Mazda 3 with us. As you guys can see, it's got a bunch of little stuff going on down the side. Dings, miscellaneous scratches that really don't go beyond the clear coat or base coat. And then we have a minor collision up front that we got to deal with and realign the bumper and go ahead and put the fender on and then blend paint into the side of the car. And then we also have two headlights up front that also need to be restored as well. Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and spray our adhesion promoter around all the edges on this car because I really want the paint to stick up nice because this job is going to be made to last a little while. We're going to do that and I'll be back with you guys in 30 minutes, get ready for paint. Alright, so as you can see, final result came out pretty good. We went ahead and for our blend areas, so we had a couple blends here, blend here, and a blend here. We did 3000 grit. We took our clear coat right up to that sanding line, and then we took our Speedokote blender and we sprayed a 50% overlap. So 50% on the original paint and then 50% over the clear coat to kind of burn that edge in. And it came out pretty good. It only needs a minor polish and it's ready to go. We did a coat and a half of the Glamor production clear. So coat and a half, we covered the panel, and then we came back and we did kind of like a light coat once again, and it came out really, really good. That wraps it up. As always, like, subscribe, new videos every week.